A 10-1C single-arm monitor stand assembly guide. Open the product package. The package includes all the parts and tools shown above. Method 1. Desk clamp installation. Position the base on the edge of the desk. Use the included magnetic wrench to tighten the clamp. Method 2. Grommet mount installation. Unscrew the base screws. Remove the lower mounting plate. Align the base with the desk grommet hole. Insert the M8 through-hole screw. Install the metal shim and anti-slip pad underneath the desk. Secure with a hand-tightened nut. Keep the pad assembly parallel to the desktop. Insert the lower arm into the base. Remove the cable clip by reaching into it with one or both hands. Press the cables into the cable channel. Reattach the magnetic cable cover. Insert the upper arm into the lower arm. Remove the upper arm cable clip. Route cables. Align the cable cover and snap it back into place. Prepare the monitor. Fetch the quick-release VESA plate and hardware kit. Position the quick-release VESA plate. Ensure the correct installation orientation. Secure the quick-release VESA plate in one of two ways. Option 1. Hand-tightened thumb screws. Option 2. Tighten the crosshead screws with the magnetic wrench. Use the included spacers if required. Tighten thumb screws in sequence. Assemble with spacers included in the hardware kit. Tighten the screws using the nut driver on the magnetic wrench. Ensure all screws are fully tightened. Pick up the monitor. Align the monitor and click it into place. Slide the latch to the locked position to secure the monitor. Installation complete. Enjoy your Axis single monitor arm.